Trey McLaughlin and the sounds of Zamar is one of the brightest and most popular groups on the gospel scene, with millions of online fans and voices spread around the world. With opulent harmonies, soul-stirring original arrangements of gospel, music, theater, and pop favorites, their awe-inspiring sound is magnificent. Whether it is a tender ballad or an invigorating anthem, you will be wrapped by this powerful assembly of voices. Be transported by Trey McLaughlin and the sounds of Zamar, November 16th in the Concert Hall.